Hello everyone! Today we are going to go over two more examples that demonstrate how to translate an improper fraction into a mixed number. And today I'm going to show you an example where it's more rational to use fraction reduction. So in our previous sessions we had a discussion about two different methods of extracting the entire portion. Basically, you can also extract the whole part in this example without reducing the original fraction. But when we look at it now, you'll see that it's actually more rational, more convenient to first simplify this fraction and then extract the whole part. That's the kind of example we have here. 1896/18, and we need to extract the whole part. What do we do in this case? Of course, we can divide 96 by 18 to find the quotient, the incomplete quotient, and the remainder. We can do this, but at first glance it's not clear how much the whole part will be here. That's why I recommend simplifying this fraction, especially since when we simplify fractions we get a very nice small fraction. I mean, the fraction will not stay the same fraction in terms of magnitude, but the numbers will be convenient and easy to work with. So I'm not going to rush, I'm not going to immediately find the greatest common divisor without any delay. I will gradually but surely decrease this fraction step by step, so divide 96 by 2 and continue the process until it is fully simplified. Furthermore, I also divide the number 18 by 2. What do I end up with as the final result? 96 divided 2 equals 48. If you divide 18 by 2, you'll get 9. What else can we cut? Both 48 and 9 can be reduced to 3 by finding their common factor. This means that 48 and 9 share a common factor of 3, and when reduced, both numbers result in 3. In this particular case, you have the opportunity to employ the rule of divisibility by 2, by 5, by 10, and by 3 in order to solve the problem at hand. How did I just witness that it can be divided by 3 right away? The number 9 is divisible by 3. 48, 4 plus 8 is going to be 12. 12 is divisible by 3, so we can split it into 3. And now let's separate. I obtained 16, and the division of 9 by 3 will provide you with 3. Take a look at the exquisite fraction we have obtained. Thus, it is highly convenient for keeping track of it in an organized manner. Now we will proceed to translate the given value into a mixed number using the appropriate method. I performed the division operation of 16 divided by 3. As a result, I obtain a quotient of 5 whole ones, and I am left with a remainder of just 1. So what can I jot down? I can proceed from our initial fraction. Let's put it in writing. The value of 96.18 is equal to... This is the 16 thirds, that is, this is the 16 thirds. Now 16 thirds, that is, equivalent to 5 whole ones in total. We ended up with a total of 5 and 1 left over and 1/3. And ultimately we obtained an answer. You see, if you have large numbers in the numerator and denominator, it's more rational to simplify this fraction first. And then you have to round down the entire part. So this is the way you will translate a mixed number. And today I would like to consider another unusual example that you might come across. If I write down the following fraction 25/5, what do I get as a result? I want to simplify this fraction, or rather, I want to extract the whole part. Of course, I can do it this way. I can simplify the fraction. That is, I can divide 25 by 5 and also simplify the denominator 5 by 5. What am I going to end up with? 25 minus 5 is going to be divided by 5. That is going to be 5. Take the number 5, divide it by 5, and you will get the result of 1. When you divide 5 by 1 or 5 by a single 1, the answer will always be 5. Ultimately, we won't have any remaining items, or we'll have a total of 0 items left over in the end. Hence, do not be surprised that when you translate an improper fraction, which is also referred to as a mixed number, you will ultimately end up with just a whole number. It is possible. We can approach it in a slightly different manner, my friend. We have a total of 25/5 available. I can just write down 25 divided by 5, and I will also end up with just the number 5. So this will be an entire number. When you are asked to separate the entire part and you will not have a remainder, do not panic or be alarmed. It can happen. and it is perfectly normal. In the upcoming class, gentlemen, we are going to learn the method of converting a mixed number into an improper fraction. However, for today, that is all the information I have. Farewell, until our paths cross once more.